Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy A53 and I'll show you how to switch on flashlight on this device. So first you should open the notification panel and somewhere here you'll see the torch icon. In my case it's here. Just to activate the flashlight you should click once on this torch icon, and as can you see the flashlight is activated. Just to turn off the flashlight you should click once again here on the torch icon, and that's it. And if you want to change the brightness level of your torch, hold for a while the icon here and swipe to the left or to the right side just to change the brightness, and then just click to done to save the changes here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.